Using Avios points on Qatar Airways. In today's video, you are going to learn how to use Avios points on Qatar Airways. So let's get started. First, go to the Qatar Airways website or you can go to their application. Now here you have to search for the flight you wanted to. For example, I'm selecting a flight from Dubai to Doha. I have entered the details and I have entered the number of passengers and the class. After that, I just have to click on the search flight option and all of this list will appear here. Now you will see the Avios. You just have to click on it. You have to swipe it to the right side and that's how AED will be converted into Avios. Now you will see Avios screen. Now you have two options, economy for the 7,000 Avios and first class for 21,000 Avios. Now if you scroll down, you will see more options. Now here you have to select according to your Avios points. As in my case, you can see when I selected this flight, this messages appeared. Now from here I will confirm, but for me, there is no Avios points in my account. But in your case, if you have Avios, you just have to click on the confirm option and that's how your Avios will be used to book a flight on Qatar Airways. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.